a very common fault on roofs, is tiles on tile roofs, is that tradesmen break a tile while they're up here, just put the tile down towards the eave. He couldn't replace the bottom one and put it in the eave because he can't slide that out, but he slid this one up, put this one in, and then he's just sikaflexed, silicone the crap out of it, and he'll be long gone by the time the customer even knows that it's broken. The only problem is that this silicone stuff only lasts about 2 years on the roof in the sun, and then it'll start leaking, and then, you know, might wreck your walls or rot your timbers in your house or any number of things. And I think when you see things like this, you wonder which tradesman it was, but being how the tile's right next to the satellite dish, I don't know, could be the bloke that installed the satellite dish. Anyway, either way, it's a bit dodgy. It's over the back side of the roof, so customer doesn't know that it's there, but I'll replace it for him while I'm here.